Foundation repair can be a total headache, especially when you don't know where to start or what to trust. So, first off, if you're dealing with foundation issues, you gotta get a hydrostatic plumbing test done before shelling out for any repairs. This is super important if your house sits on clay soil, because water leaks underground can mess with your foundation big time. Don't just trust the repair company when they say your foundation needs lifting or patching. Ask for that test up front, because it might save you thousands later. If they find a broken pipe, get it fixed first and then give the soil plenty of time to dry out. Rushing repairs can make things worse. Also, watch out for signs like uneven floors, cracks in walls, or doors that stick. These are your early warning signals. When you do hire a contractor, make sure they are licensed, insured, and come with solid reviews, because not all foundation repair pros are created equal. Always get multiple quotes and compare what each includes, so you're not caught off guard with hidden fees. Remember, foundation work isn't cheap, but cutting corners can cost you way more down the line. One of the biggest mistakes people make is skipping the hydrostatic test before repair sits, like putting a band-aid on a broken bone. It won't fix the root problem. Another common issue is hiring contractors who don't give you a detailed contract or warranty, which leaves you stuck if the problem pops back up. Lastly, rushing repairs without letting the soil dry after fixing leaks often leads to heaving or sinking foundations again, so patience is key here. To fix these, insist on that hydrostatic test first. Always get everything in writing, including warranties, and plan for a drying period before any heavy foundation work. BigHomeProjects.com is great for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff about foundation, repair, and other home projects. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it helps you connect with homeowners who really need your skills, making the whole process smoother for everyone.